last type of multiplication problem I'm going to look at is ordered pair problems. The idea of these is we want to determine how many ordered pairs of things can be made. So we want to be able to pair two things where one of the things is designated first, the other one's designated second. Let's look at an example. A restaurant serves grilled cheese sandwiches. You can choose from 3 types of bread, wheat, white, and rye. And you can choose from 4 types of cheese, cheddar, provolone, Swiss, and American. So how many types of sandwiches can you order? Well, we could multiply to determine how many. We could multiply the 3 and 4. But the question is, why? Well, each type of sandwich here can be considered an ordered pair, consisting of a type of bread and a type of cheese. And we can actually organize these into a natural array. So let's look at how we might do that. We have 3 types of bread. The first is wheat. So we could do a wheat and cheddar sandwich. I'm going to use C to abbreviate cheddar. We could do a wheat and provolone, so I'll use P to abbreviate provolone. Wheat and Swiss, so I'll use an S. And wheat and American, so I'll use an A. We could also use white bread. We could do white and cheddar, white and provolone, white and Swiss, or white and American. Finally, we have rye bread. So we could do rye cheddar, rye provolone, rye Swiss, and rye American. So now I can see these much better in an array and how I would get this problem. 3 rows and 4 columns. This is not the only way to organize this particular type of problem. It can also be done with a tree diagram. So let's look at how to build a tree diagram. For a tree diagram, we always start on the left-hand side, and we look at how many different ways we could make our first choice. And we draw line segments between them. So I'm going to draw a line segment up and say we could have chosen wheat bread. A line segment over, we could have chosen white bread. And a line segment down for rye bread. And then for each one of these, we have 4 different options. We could choose cheddar, provolone, Swiss, or American, and that's true for all of these. So they each have 4 branches coming off of them. So now we can look at our grouping as well. First off, we could just count here, or we can see that what we have is one group of 4, another group of 4, and a third group of 4. So I have 3 groups, and each group has 4 elements. These type of ordered pair problems are going to arise a lot in things like probability.